Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the distance formula. And the distance formula is this cool formula that you can use to figure out the distance between 2 points. So say we just had some random points and we were asked to find what this distance is. Now, this formula is based on the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem being a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Or another way to visualize that is the square root of a squared plus b squared equals c, right? This is essentially this formula. It's just changed, tweaked a little bit to match the coordinate points, right? Alright, so the distance formula is d equals the square root of x2 being the x value of the second point, minus x1 being the x value of the first point, squared minus, or plus, excuse me, plus y squared minus y1 squared. That's essentially the distance formula. And now let's see it. My God, that was an awful. Let's see it in action. So, let's say one of our points is 1, 3. We've got 1 point there. And then another one of our points is 4, 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 7. And we're asked to figure out what the distance between these 2 points are. 4, 7 and 1, 3. Okay? So, with this distance formula, you're essentially just making a triangle, right? And you're calculating these side lengths. And then, when you know these side lengths, and you know it's a 90 triangle, it means it has a right angle in it, you can figure out what the hypotenuse, or the d, the distance is, right? So this is just going to be x2 minus x1, and this is going to be y2, this length of y2 minus y1. So this first side length, x2 is 4, x1 is 1, so this is 3. Then we have y2 minus y1. y2 is 7, y1 is 3, so 4. And then, if we put it into this formula, let's see, 3 squared plus 4 squared, and then the square root of that. 3 squared is 9, plus 16, that's 25, so the square root of 25 is 5. So we figured out that d is 5, right? And that's basically the distance formula. It's just this cool little formula you can use. It's kind of like a shortcut, so you don't have to always draw out this triangle. I just drew it out to clarify. And that's basically it. Ooh, it's the end screen. Click on one of these links to be directed to that playlist. And don't forget to subscribe!